Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle on today is it's Accessions Day, and we don't receive any newspaper on Accessions Day. It's Thursday, the 26th. Yes, May the 26th. And in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 25th, 2022, we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the killer Sudoku, the binary, and the medium Sudoku. And I've solved the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper on Tuesday. So what I will do is I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles on Assassin's Day, the Monday edition, Monday, May the 23rd, 2022. Yes, two puzzles I've already solved: the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. And now it's time for the Tectonic with a 1 star. Yes, it's a 1-star puzzle. That means I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. And this Sudoku will be number 4610. 4610. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits, so should be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. It's always a 1. So this is a 1. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1 because we have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 dual box, triple box then. We see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, the 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember the inside box. It's this box near the middle box. It's always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. Triple box, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra? I see here quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. I need more information. Then the following strategy. Yes, the following strategy. Let me see. 1, we have here 2, 3, yeah, 4. Okay. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Rotated, this one. Let me draw this here. We have the T shape. The T shape here. Alright, here we have the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Alright, the T shape. Here another one. We have 2 T shapes. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. So it's confirmed. 1, 1. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. We have this shape, kind of shape. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. We have only one. Yeah, we have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Here we have the L shape rotated. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. And here we have another L shape, but mirrored or flipped. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And the last shape or figure, how about this one? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more. I believe maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have here 4 shapes or figures, structures, constructions. And why you need to recognize this, the following question, why you need to recognize, well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes, can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 5. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, okay. This box can be a 3, because we have a double 3 here. 3, 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 in this triple box. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 3? This box can be 1 or a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can also not be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1, 2, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 5. Alright. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. Now we have a 3 here. So I've marked those two boxes with 3. This box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Then. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 it goes together with the 4. As a pair, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. This box, those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 there, I've marked this box with a 2 and a 5. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Then this box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, it's a quadra box, so the 5 cannot be here. So this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. Here we have 3 and a 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. It goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Final number in this L-shaped area for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, Assassin's Day. We will meet again tomorrow. Yes, new puzzles tomorrow on Friday, end of the week, working week. So until then, bye bye for now.